Hi, in this video we are going to talk about mirroring. Mastering SolidWorks sketching is not only about sketching shapes such as rectangles and ellipses. It also depends on other supporting functions such as mirroring, patterns, and trimming. These special commands will greatly enhance our ability to sketch complex shapes faster. From now on, we will introduce sketching commands such as mirroring, offsets, patterns, and other commands. We will also cover examples where we will use multiple shapes and commands to create relatively complex sketches. Even though we can continue without using these commands, they will greatly enhance the efficiency of our sketching creation process. Now let's go to mirroring. As the name suggests, mirroring a sketch means to reflect one or more sketch entities around a mirroring line. It is very similar to reflecting an image in a mirror. The following diagram illustrates the components of mirroring in SolidWorks. I have mirrored this sketch about this axis. In the preceding diagram, we can see that there are two parts that we need in order to use mirroring: sketch entities to mirror, and mirroring or reflection line. Since the two shapes are mirrored, any changes that happen to one shape will automatically happen to the other. To highlight how we can use mirroring, we will create a shape. To create this shape, we need to complete the outlining and defining stages. Here we will create the base sketch and then mirror and outline. Then we will define the resulting sketch. Let's start by outlining our general shape and applying the sketch mirror entities command. As always, we have to open a new part. You can come over here to File, New, in Part, and click on OK. And then we have to select the plane to sketch on. I click on Front Plane, and then I click on Sketch. First, on the drop-down menu of the line command, I click on center line and I sketch a center line in the middle of the plane and escape key to exit this command. I hold down control key and click on this center line and this origin, and I add midpoint relation to these components, and I click on this check mark over here. Then I click on corner rectangle and I sketch a rectangle over here. Then I click on fillet. I click on these two lines and let's make it a little bit bigger, and then again I select tangent arc. I click once and the second time, and for the second circle and the last one. Here I click on these trim entities, which we talked about in the last videos, and I click on this line to trim it, and then this line. We don't need these lines, and this line. And over here on the command bar, you can see these mirror entities. I click on this, and on the left hand side, we will see the available mirror options. For entities to mirror, select these lines which you want to mirror about the center line. I click on all these lines. For mirror about, select this center line and make sure that the checkbox for copy is checked. Over here, this copy. Now we will see a preview of our shape mirrored on the left side. Click on the green check mark to prove the mirroring. Okay, before we start defining, let me show you the copy option. I click on Ctrl Z to undo the mirroring. When we were mirroring, I told you that make sure that a checkbox for the copy is checked, because if it's not checked, our sketch will not be copied not be copied. Our sketch will not be copied, it will be reflected, but our first sketch will be removed and deleted. Let me try. Okay. If I click on this check mark over here, as you see, the first sketch is deleted and it is reflected about this mirror axis. Okay, I use the mirroring once more and I check the copy option over here this time and our sketch is done. Now let's define it. I click on smart dimension and click on these two lines that you want. Then I click on this arc, insert 5, and I click on this line and this one, it's 12, this one is 2, and 1. It's still blue, it means that it's underdefined. Let's see why. Okay. And tangent relation gives two circles. And add horizontal relation. I add this line and this one. I click on this line at this point and midpoint relation. Now our sketch is fully defined because it's all black. Thanks for your attention and your watching. I hope you like it. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.